How to sign into Audible and sync your books. Hi everybody, welcome back. In order to sign into Audible and keep your audiobooks sync across your devices, you could simply download the app from your App Store or Google Play Store, or just simply visit the Audible login page on a web browser. So I'm using the browser version of it, so type in audible.com. Now you could simply go ahead and tap the menu bar and go to sign in. You could use your Amazon credential as well. So simply go to continue, enter in your email address associated with your Amazon account. Now then, what you need is simply want to make sure to access the library. So tap on the menu bar and go to the library from the left hand side corner. You could see all your purchase title ready for download. Now Audible uses Whispersync for voice to automatically save your listening position, bookmark and notes across all noted device. So just tap on the settings, or just go ahead and tap on the profile at the very bottom, and you could go to settings from this section. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the settings. Here it is, settings. You want to tap onto it. Then you want to make sure to go to your listener profile. So go to edit, and you could go ahead and sync device position and toggle the button. So this way you will be able to make changes. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.